Haiku Deck is an online tool for creating presentations on your computer, tablet or smartphone. To create a new slide or new slide deck, you need to sign up for a free account and then you will see this screen. On the left hand side you have 6 basic slide types. To edit your first slide, click on the text box you want to edit and add your text. When you want to add a new slide, click the plus symbol, decide which slide type you want to apply to this, and again type in your text. To add a background image to your slide, click on the picture icon on the left hand side. Then you can either add your own image by clicking on the My Pictures button. Then you can locate or drag and drop the picture that you want to use. Or you can search the Haiku Deck image library for your image. Once you have imported your image, you can size it and change its position using these tools here. From the toolbar up here, you can also add editable charts and graphs to your slides and solid background colours. You can access different layout options if you click on this icon at the side. You can also add a video and audio files, although you can only do this if you take out a subscription to the Pro version. And you also have the option to add notes to your slides. Finally, you have the option to change the typefaces you are using by clicking on the Fonts Themes tab at the top and then finding a theme that you like. When you are happy with your presentation, you can view it by clicking on the play icon at the top right hand side of the screen. You have several options for sharing your Haiku Deck slides, which are accessed by clicking on the share icon at the top of the page. You can assign a category to your presentation and then choose how you want to share your slides, via Twitter, Pinterest or email, for example. Or you can generate the HTML code to embed your presentation in a web page, and also the WordPress embed code. If you upgrade to the Pro version of Haiku Deck, you get an option to save and then share your presentation as a video file. Or you can download it as a PDF, PowerPoint file or editable PowerPoint file, again if you upgrade to the Pro version.